driving, and the diesel engine loves to be loud. So we are on our way, actually from Ocean City towards Tacoma. Little known fact, I spent my first year of college in Tacoma at the University of Puget Sound. Proud blogger here. That's where I spent my entire 4-year college budget, 1 year. Don't do that. That was
Hello, Bigfoot enthusiast. Scott here from Squatch, America.
And Hannah, domestic goddess, chief cooking, doggy mommy, looking kind of like a sea hag today here in the paddy wagon, but that's what you get.
Hey, we're next to the ocean. Sea hag is appropriate. Yeah, you're my mermaid.
I almost said earlier today. You were cussing me out.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you were. Anyway.
Bridges. She always just throws me under the bridge. Anyway, or the buses. Anyway, hey,
there
look
are
at this.
Trolls under the bridge.
Look at this.
Isn't that a spangly new refrigerator?
Yes, and how we got here is we were going to do our live show last night, and we had to cancel it because our old refrigerator broke. And if you don't know, the RV refrigerator uses ammonia as a coolant. So what happened is it sprayed ammonia all over the inside of our trailer. It was a little burny in the eyes. And we had to cancel our show so we could clean that mess up. And then we had to remove and replace our refrigerator. So last night we drove 200 miles round trip. Yeah, to
get the only RV fridge in our size in like the whole Gig Harbor, Grace Harbor area.
Yeah, we had to go clear to Tacoma actually to get it.
Thank you, Camping World, for putting my name on it and hanging on to it for us.
Yeah.
Drove like mad through rush hour traffic.
Yes, and got there, got it, and got back last night. So we videotaped me tearing the old fridge out. I didn't get the videotape of us putting it back in because the batteries went dead and I didn't notice. But
we got it in.
again, so we've switched from a propane 110 refrigerator to just a straight 12-volt refrigerator.
It's pretty.
So it's pretty. That's
It
Hannah
looks,
thinks it's gorgeous.
it is. It looks like a home refrigerator and not a camping refrigerator.
Yeah. So,
And look at all that freezer space.
ooh, twice the freezer space we had before.
Yes.
Oh wow, it's getting cold already.
Yeah. Oh, it's gonna get cold. And the good news is that I've got all of our freezer stuff in the cooler down here with ice on. It's on ice. I lost a cucumber and some zucchini or some squash and some bell peppers, and that's it.
Yeah,
so
so
that's not bad.
actually we hadn't noticed that it actually went out probably
3 days ago.
3 days ago. It just had been keeping cool.
As the ammonia slowly leaked
out. Yeah. So anyway, we a disaster averted. This is typical RV life.
Typical RV life that we don't have to panic over.
Yeah. So so price refrigerator, which the old one's been in here since 2016.
Yeah.
And we have put a lot of miles on it, and they're not designed to run full time, and we've been living in this full time for 5 years, so there's that. This one hopefully is more designed to run full time.
Well, it's 12 volts, so
Yeah.
yes. It's
Yes.
always plugged in.
Always on. We don't have to shut it off while we travel anymore and turn it back on. And
the best part, let's christen this bad boy,
yeah, the best part
is
okay. To preface this, our old one had a. What are you doing?
those are not, oh, here we go. Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
See that the old one had a wood veneer?
Wood veneer on the front, yeah.
See this magnet?
Oh, we can magnet things to the fridge. So now we need to get those little letters so we can make little notes to each other on the fridge. Aww.
If anyone wants to send us a little, like a magnetic poetry, you can get Bigfoot magnetic poetry kits. Send us a magnetic poetry kit at 514 America's Way, number 13849, Box Elder, South Dakota, 57719, and we will thank you on the air.
There we go. So this is our terrific Tuesday. It's
been a terrific Thursday.
yeah, it's Thursday, but you'll see this on Tuesday. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and do all that stuff. And Bigfoot stuff coming on Fridays.
See you tomorrow night for our Wednesday live, God willing, and the creek don't rise.
Yep, and remember, our job
is to investigate the unexplained.
Not to explain the uninvestigated.
So until next week, you keep watching
and we'll keep squatching and go out and find Bigfoot.
Bye.
After you change your fridge.
That damn Sasquatch.
Squatch and